Alright, how to fix a dent in your rim. Okay? Say you have your mountain bike wheel and you've put one of these nasty big dents in it. Now I've already fixed these two, but the first thing you need is a steel ruler and a shifter. And what you do is you put the steel ruler on the edge of the rim. Here, we'll use this one over here. So you grab your steel ruler, put it against the edge of the rim, and then with your steel ruler there, you use your shifter and you gently pull the rim out till this edge is relatively flat. Now you can see here, this still has a little bit of a dent. That is because if I pulled it any further, it's going to break. But essentially, we just want to try and get this edge as straight as possible. Okay? So that's the first thing. Now, see, you can see how bad this dent was. The metal ruler protects the inside of the shifter from biting into the rim when you're pulling it outwards like this. When you're pulling the dent out, be very, very gentle, just take your time, and the ruler protects the rim from the inside of the shifter, but it also gives you an edge to pull to. So just take it a little bit at a time and you'll be fine. So that's pulling the edge of the rim out. Now, if you're anything like me, you will struggle to get a tubeless tire to seat, because now, as you can see, the rim is dented downwards, and it is in fact this bed here that is also dented inwards on both these rims. So what I've done is I've mixed up some 2-part epoxy in a little plastic tray like this. It didn't take much, it took just a couple of little tiny drops, and I mixed up the glue. And what we've done, it's a bit hard to see on this one, use the zip tie as a pointer, but in here we've managed to build up this surface or this shoulder of the rim, so that now once that dries, that inner shoulder is a little bit taller. So where it's dented, you can imagine there's like a crevice, like how this zip tie goes down, and so it'll just constantly leak, and sometimes you won't even be able to get the tire to come up. I did actually fix this one the first time just by using some extra tape at the joint here, but a more permanent solution is to use some araldite and build up the height of the bed. So there you go. That's how to one, pull a dent safely and properly like a professional mechanic, and 2, how to help repair the rim in order for the tire to seal. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if this was helpful, and if you want more tips, click subscribe, as it encourages me to make more of these very lo-fi videos. Thanks for watching.